How to use payment dates as proof of inaccurate reporting. CreditFixGuy. Sometimes the lie is in the timing, not the numbers. Bureaus count on you missing the small details. We don't. Here's the truth. Creditors often report incorrect payment dates, especially for closed or charged-off accounts. But under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, payment history must be 100% accurate. So if an account says you made a payment on a date you know for a fact you didn't or couldn't, that's your weapon. Pull your bank statements, Cash App records, or anything that proves no payment was made on that date. Then challenge the trade line and say, "This account shows a payment on this date, but I have verified no payment was made. Please investigate and provide documentation or delete per FCRA guidelines." Why this works? Bureaus aren't in the business of researching your bank activity. If the furnisher can't verify the payment with time-stamped proof, the line becomes unverifiable and must be removed. Even better, if the date they claimed you paid extends the age of the account or alters the timeline, it's a direct violation. That's a trigger for deletion. This is precision disputing. This is how we win. Don't just fight accounts, fight the details inside the account. Learn more at CreditFixGuy.com. No social security number needed. Pay as you go.